Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel AP5. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to view blocked users or blocked accounts on your Snapchat. So without getting further delay, let's jump into our video. First of all, open Snapchat and make sure you have latest version of Snapchat, and here on top left corner you can see profile. So here tap on it and you can see setting icon on top right corner. Tap on it, scroll all the way and you will find blocked users. So here it is, click on it. Now you can see a list of blocked accounts on your Snapchat. So if you want to unblock them, then you can just tap on it, but this is how you can see your blocked list on Snapchat. So that is it for today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.